Hi, my name's Jonathan. Today I'm going to go over with you a brief history of Elmendorf Air Force Base, how it came about, and where it's at now. First, let's start with Elmendorf's past. Elmendorf's construction actually began in June of 1940. The actual establishment of the base was that same month in June of 1940. The actual first personnel on Elmendorf was a few months later in August of 1940, and then the runway wasn't actually complete until 1941. And then in 1954, the runway was actually lengthened. The deed for the Air Force Base side itself wasn't actually turned over to the Air Force until 1951, because obviously the Air Force wasn't around until 1947 anyways. That's a little bit about how Elmendorf came about. Let's go over a little bit about what it is now and what we have here. Now, Elmendorf is actually one of the first joint bases. That means that the Army side of the house, Fort Richardson, actually joined with Elmendorf, or vice versa, whichever way you want to look at it. And now it's one big base, one big installation called Joint Base Elmendorf-Richardson, which means that everything's kind of considered both Army and Air Force for the most part. Elmendorf is actually home to the F-22 Raptor, which is the most sophisticated fighter jet in the world. We have the C-17 Globemaster as well as the C-130 Hercules, two of the larger cargo planes. Without such planes, we actually wouldn't be able to do our deployments, and we wouldn't be able to get all the equipment over the personnel that are deployed. Elmendorf is home of the Alaska Command headquarters, as well as the 11th Air Force and the 3rd Wing. That's just a little bit about Elmendorf in a very condensed, shortened version. There are many more things that have happened on and around Elmendorf. I encourage you to go out and kind of look those things up, because it is a pretty interesting place. That's about all I have for now, and if anybody has any questions, you guys can go ahead and shoot me an email or reply to my topic. Thanks for listening.